There are dozens, if not hundreds of ways how things can go wrong with your Windows PC, resulting in a data loss. Work projects, personal information, photos, all of that can suddenly be gone. If you haven't faced anything like that yet and are thinking that it's none of your concern, here are some stats. Out of the people who own a computer, 62% have lost data at some point, 76% have deleted something by accident, 51% have had an internal or external hard drive crash, 52% have lost access to their data, and 61% had a security incident. In an ideal world, everybody has implemented 3-2-1 backup principle, which means that there are 3 copies of data, 2 of them are local but on different devices, and 1 copy is offsite or in the cloud. As our world is far from being ideal, having at least 1 regularly updated backup on a hard drive, external hard drive, is a good compromise that won't take a lot of time out of your life and a lot of money out of your pocket. Happy Mac users have an inbuilt time machine, which is great, and Windows users have backup and restore, which is not. Luckily, there is a third-party application called AOMEI Backupper, which I'm using for quite a long time now, and it has free and paid versions. The free version is more than enough to cover all the basic backup needs, and the Pro version pushes app functionality even further with advanced features for backup and sync. By the way, Backupper Pro license is a one-time purchase with free lifetime upgrades. This video is not sponsored by AOMEI, but they have kindly sent me 3 license codes for Backupper Pro to give away to you, my dear viewers. So if you want to enter the giveaway, make sure you stay until the end of the video to learn more. My name is Nick, and in this video I will be covering how you can set up a complete backup system in under 15 minutes with the free version of AOMEI Backupper, AOMEI Backupper additional features overview, and what are the benefits of the Pro version and if you should consider upgrading. Installation. Use the link in the description, download Backupper free and install it. During the installation, hit Skip Backupper Pro trial. Launch AOMEI Backupper, and here we are at the start screen. Simple and slick interface, no ads in a free version, and no huge banners and pop-ups with Upgrade to Pro callouts. Backup setup. First, I suggest you head to Settings that are located in the top right corner. Here go to Advanced and select Automatically check the backup on completion. With this setting turned on, backup process will take more time, but that's totally worth it, as the software will verify the backup and there will be no surprises during the recovery. Now switch to Backup tab. Here we have options to make either a system backup, disk backup, partition backup, or a file backup. To make it simple, system backup covers operation system and related files. File backup includes files and folders you select. Disk backup covers the entire hard drive or SSD. And partition backup covers one or multiple volumes, like CDE drives in Windows, that can be located on one or multiple drives. If you prefer to backup everything, disk backup is the best option for you. And if you don't mind reinstalling Windows and programs should things go south and want to focus exclusively on preserving your personal files, file backup is the way to go. Now is the perfect time to connect an external drive for backup. Sure, you can perform this procedure to an internal hard drive with enough space, but external solution is more secure. And if you don't have an external HDD, I have a separate video with a cheap solution, and I'll link that video in the description down below. By the way, if you happen to have a NAS, a network attached storage, you can add that as a backup location in AOMEI by going to Tools, Storage Management. OK, click on Add Disk and select the one you need. Confirm by pressing Add. Now select the location where to store backups. In my case, that's an external HDD. Before starting a backup, you can dig into Options, Give the backup a name, and under Advanced Operation Priority, you can choose a priority for the process. If you plan on using your computer and don't mind the procedure taking more time, select Low. Otherwise, choose Normal or High. Save settings. Now click on Schedule Backup. Unless you plan on doing backups manually, it's a great idea to turn on Scheduled Backups. Expand Advanced Settings and make sure Run the Missing Backup after starting computer next time is checked, so you won't miss a backup. Next, a backup scheme. Two options are available in the free version: Full Backup and Incremental Backup. Full Backup is essentially a full copy of your entire dataset, while incremental backups backup only that data which had been changed since the last backup, which results in time and space economy. For example, you created a full backup on Monday and used incremental backups for the rest of the week. Tuesday's scheduled backup would only contain the data that has changed since Monday. Wednesday's backup files would only contain the data that has changed since Tuesday, and so on. However, the more and more incremental backups are made, the more and more time it will take to restore from that backup. Going back to previous example, say you want to restore the backup from Wednesday. To do so, the software will first restore Monday's full backup. After that, it will restore Tuesday's incremental backup, followed by Wednesday's. That's why I suggest to enable an option to create a full backup after every 5 to 7 incremental backups. As a free option of Backupper does not allow for auto-cleaning, that's all the settings we can change. And now we can start the backup process. And the free option has a slower backup speed than Pro, but that's not too bad. Recovery setup. Let's assume you can't boot into Windows and access the software to recover from the backup you've made. Backupper has got you covered. In Pro version, you can install a separate recovery environment to boot into. In free version, you can create a bootable media. To do that, you will need a standard small USB flash drive. Navigate to Tools, Create Bootable Media. Select Windows PE, as this is the one that will work correctly with all modern Windows installations. Tick Download WinPE from Internet. During the next step, select your USB drive. Make sure there are no important files in there, as the drive will be formatted. Press Next. AOMEI will automatically add necessary drivers for your PC in the process. Additional features overview. Okay, what else can AOMEI Backupper do? In Tools section, there's a button to check and verify created backups. In the Clone menu, there are options to clone a disk onto another or to clone a partition. By the way, though a system backup is limited to Backupper Pro version, this clone option will help you move your Windows installation along with other files on the drive onto a new drive, say a faster SSD or something like that. Moving on to Sync tab. In a free version, we are limited to a basic sync from source folder to a target one. You may say, Nick, can't I just copy-paste files from one location to another? Why should I use a software for that? Sure, if that's a one-time transfer, File Explorer will do just fine. And actually, from my experience of using both Mac and Windows laptops, I can tell that Microsoft nails file transfers compared to Apple. Okay, that was about a one-time file transfer. Let's say you have a work project and you need to copy that onto an external drive to share with your colleague, and you need to do that every single day or every single week. And that's when Backupper shines. Click Schedule Sync, select the parameters you need, and boom! You saved yourself so much time. Maybe not right now, but over the course of weeks and months, definitely. Benefits of the Pro version. I think that for 80% of users out there, Backupper Free is more than enough. But if you feel like you need something more, here are main benefits of Backupper Pro paid version. Faster backups. Differential backup scheme that is similar to incremental but has a faster restoration time at a cost of more occupied space. ability to automatically delete old backups to save disk space, backup encryption, event-triggered backup and USB plugin backup, which is super cool and lets you do backups automatically as soon as you connect an external drive. More folder synchronization options like mirror sync, two-way sync, and syncing file changes in real time. Option to install a recovery environment. Disk Secure Wipe feature. Back at the AOMEI website, there is a detailed edition comparison page, and I'll leave a link to that in the description down below. Is Backupper Pro worth the price? As it's a one-time purchase, and if you need any of that extra features I mentioned, sure, Backupper Pro can greatly improve your sync and backup experience. Try out a free pro trial before purchasing to see for yourself. Giveaway. And there is a chance to get a free Backupper Pro lifetime license. AOMEI team has kindly provided 3 licenses for this giveaway, and each license can be installed on 2 computers. To enter the giveaway, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment answering the question: have you lost your data? Simple yes I did or no I didn't are completely okay for giveaway purposes, but feel free to tell more about your experience, as I'm really curious to read your stories. Giveaway will be made online via YouTube stream on October 31st. Thanks for watching this video up until its end. If you have any questions left, ask them in the comments down below, and see you in the next videos.